Hello and welcome to the video. This is another go at trying to pick a winner from this video that I did 2 weeks ago. This is for the XTAR 20th birthday L8 Pro draw. There's a couple of things that they're doing for their 20th anniversary, and I did this 2 weeks ago. I've already picked one name, but they haven't claimed it. All you had to do was put XTAR in here and I was going to pick a winner. So I've given the first person I chose over 7 days now to claim their prize. So I'm going to redraw and hopefully this person will be able to claim it. So standard stuff, random comment picker, XTAR as the keyword. To go down here, I'm not a fan of this tool, but 9, get YouTube comment. So there's 56, so you have a 1 in 56 chance of winning this. So let's see the next winner. The next winner is Kevin Lancaster. Kevin, congratulations. Oh, you're a Patreon as well. Okay, that makes this super easy. Kevin, pop me your address details on the Patreon system and I will get this through to you. Again, you have 7 days to claim this, and if that isn't claimed, then I reserve the right to do another draw. Hopefully it'll get claimed this time. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 60 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.